Hi everybody, this is Maria Dolan, Marketing Director for Carteret Mobile Park. I'm doing a sneak peek of a house that we're renovating at lot M-14 in Carteret Mobile Park. I actually took pictures the day the appliances arrived, and now I'm going to show you the outside. We power washed the house, we painted the shutters, so you got to use your imagination because I'll be taking a video of the whole renovation job next week. But now I want to get this out to you as quickly as possible so you can take a look at this house and pique your interest. This house comes with a shed, there's propane gas and central air conditioning. You've got 2 doors according to the HUD code. Here's the living room. We painted the walls, we installed laminate flooring. So pretty. We have a living room ceiling fan. There's your front door and your kitchen. It's a front end kitchen. There's all the new appliances. It's got a great little bar area to eat at. Here's your closet door. Inside the closet door, this is your living room. Here's all your new appliances. These are all wood cabinets. We got all stainless steel appliances. So they were already installed yesterday, but I haven't gotten a chance to take a video of the house in its final version. So again, this is just to whet your appetite and let you know that this house is available. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Here's a laundry area. It's inside the bathroom area. So you walk into the bathroom and the laundry area is to the right, and then this part is in the back. So this room is now all completed. The guys put the fan back up and the toilet back in place. Again, I jumped the gun and got in here so that you could see what they have been doing. This is a little pantry area directly across from the laundry area. And here you see the 1-bedroom. Now this is more complete than the other parts of the house. The bathroom and the kitchen at the point that I took these pictures still needed some work done. We painted that door. We put the smoke detectors back up. It's a magnificent house. It's a Pine Grove. It's, I believe, only 2015, so it's pretty modern. Pine Grove homes are like the Cadillac of manufactured homes. They're really well built. They have Energy Star certification. So the insulation in the floors, the ceilings, and the walls is magnificent. Here you have the water heater compartment. It's very handy right in the bedroom. The electric panel is 100, and I'll show you the floor plan next. So go to the website myhomeincarteret.com and fill out the pre-qualifying questions for this house. One lucky buyer will get it soon. This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the second generation, and then our nephew and our son are the third generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our fourth generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a one bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also one bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.